Well, hello. My name is Daddy-O, and I'm laughing my butt off at me right now. All right. I'm laughing at me right now on what I just did. I did an entire video. Forgot to turn my mic on. It was a good video too. I was coming off on that one. Anyway, my name is Daddy-O. I do some YouTube and a little bit of Uber from time to time, and I do some of these crazy videos from time to time that make me chuckle. If nobody else, I'm getting a chuckle out of it. Here we go. I do an electric rental. I'm going to talk a little bit about that. I'm still laughing at my ass. I do an electric rental. And I've had some things happen in the last few days. I haven't done some videos because Daddy-O's had some stuff going on, all right? Daddy-O had a flat tire day before yesterday at night, coming back from charging my vehicle up. Now, I'm going to talk about the charging thing a little bit here, too. I had a flat tire. I had to take, and it was a bad flat. I mean, it was going down quick as I pulled in to do the charge thing. So I went over, got me a can, fix the flat real quick, got ready to do that. As soon as I got done charging, put that in there, pulled over to the gas station, filled it up with air to 40-some pounds of pressure. I knew I had a good leak going on. I had 10 miles to go. Drove out of there. I didn't drive 3-4 miles, and my lights come on again. You need more air. Pulled in the gas station, put more air in it, hauled butt, went another 3 or 4 miles, light come on again. You need more air. Pulled in another gas station, did the same thing. Well, this time I had to go by Walmart. Pulled in there, air pump. Bought me an air pump that didn't really want to work real well. And I went through a series of 2 and 3 mile trips to get back through that 10 miles to get back to my place. Next morning, flat as tire was flat. Pulled out the old air pump, pumped it up as good as I could. Hauled butt the 3 miles to go to Tire Kingdom to get them to swap out the tire. Had to put air in it again on the ride. I had to stop and do it again. That's how fast that thing was going down. Pulled in there. They went to get it approved, and they saw that my wear bars on all my tires were down. So they put in to swap out all 4 tires. Well, when you do roadside assistance or you do something like that, it goes through an AI system apparently through them, and I got turned down for 4 tires. Well, I told them, I said, well, just submit it for the 1 tire. So they really did it, and again, it got turned down. To return the vehicle to your, rental place. I went to go, so I called my guy over there, told him what was going on. He said, no problem. He says, look, we can get it for you. Just go in there if you don't mind. Go in there and pay for the thing. Bring me the receipt. We'll take care of it for you, blah, blah, blah. And I told him about the other tires. No problem. I got plenty of those Mustangs over here. Come get you another one. Okay. So I think this next week I may swing over there. I already got this one up to 45,000 miles on it already, and I got it at 27,000, I think it was. So I've already put some mileage on this, so I might just go over and swap out and get into another one, a newer one. That's the way it is. But look, gas prices are not coming down. They have already gone up again here today. They're at the highest. They're at 469 today. All right. Something's happened this past week a lot of people might not be aware of. All right. The last ship that was coming here, that was on the seas when all this started, finally got here on Monday. All right. There are no more ships coming to America with oil on them. All right. So that was the last one. So apparently now that's affected the prices here, because I'm telling you, the prices jumped overnight again. And I was told that by the end of next week, we'll be over $5 a gallon here. All right. So, like I've been trying to scream for a while, gas prices are not coming down. You need to go get if you're going to do Uber, all right, if you're going to be an Uber driver right now, I can't see how you're going to make it. You need to go look into this. Just contact them, see if you can work it out. Here's what I do. Now, I'm going to tell you real quick, and I wasn't going to talk about all this. I was paying with the gas rental I had, and I've been doing this for over 4 years. The gas rental I had, I was paying $305 a week. With this one here, I'm paying $380 a week, okay? That little $10 a day doesn't matter, okay? This vehicle right here is not only fun to drive, it gets so many. I pull up to a red light, and people, I'll look to my left or look to my right, and all of a sudden I'll see people, and they'll go, You know, I'll be coming to pick up people and they'll go, oh, I saw a Mustang was coming, but I wasn't sure what it was. This is unbelievable. This is nice. I had a lady yesterday tell me, I had 3 people taking them on a ride. She goes to get out and she goes, thank you for introducing me to my next vehicle. Get you one. My guy over there says he's got plenty. He'll swap me out because of the tire issue and needing to do tires and everything and getting it approved and all that. I don't have to go through all that. He said, just bring it over and he'll swap me out into something else. All right. They've been extremely cool. I've been doing Avis for 4 years now, and I absolutely love the guys over there. They've been good to me. I take care of their vehicles. They know that. I pay my fees on time. There's no problem paying the fees because it's going to make you more money. All right, I've screamed that in videos before. If you've never seen any of the other videos, you may go want to watch some of the other videos. If you're an Uber driver or you're doing rideshare or anything like that, and you're needing a vehicle and you're tired of the gas prices, they're not coming down. All right, if they straighten this out today, if things were settled out today, all right, it will be 2027 before gas prices will start coming back down. All right, if that they got repaired, I mean, it's not coming down. It's not going to happen. All right, not no time soon, not for years. I did a video the other day about it being years. All right, that's not what this video is about. This video is about getting a rental electric. All right, go get them. My guy says they got plenty available, and I live near a big town. And he says, come on over. He'll swap me out. He's always got them around there, and he'll put me in one. And that's what I'm considering doing. Going and getting another one. You know, this one needs some tires. Okay. Instead of going through all that and the AI system trying to, I'm not even going to mess with that. Next week, I'll probably be in, I want a white one. I want a white one. It's summertime. You need a white vehicle during the summertime in Florida. You know, it kind of is a little bit cooler. It's better. All right. Anyway, I just want to talk about the rental electric and this vehicle here. Now, last night I went out and charged this up at the end of the night, and I swear it was $16. Now, it wasn't down that far. I was only at 40, 45%, 48. So I was around something like that, but it was only $16. You know, you can't beat that. With gas prices today at $4.69 here, it's in the knowledge of it not coming down. If I was in other drivers' spot, I would be looking into this. I don't see how. I wouldn't be doing it today. I would not be doing Uber today with the gas prices. If I had to do gas, I'd be finding me something else to do. All right, but go get you the Mustang. If you can get a Mustang, I know you guys out there that are already in electric vehicles. If you can swing yourself into a Mustang, you're going to make some jack, all right? Especially if you play the games right. You can make some money with the Mustang. It's eye candy. It's something that people haven't seen before. You know, they walk up to the doors. It doesn't have door handles on it. All right. They walk up the door. I should film it sometimes. I tell them that when they get in because they'll be laughing when they get in. It's just a push button. It's just a little button on the side of the door there. You push the button and it springs open for you. Your people aren't this, and then they sit down in the leather seats and you got the right music. And oh my God. Let me talk about this real quick. Some of you guys ask these questions because it is hard to find. All right. Found it. All right. Found it. All right. This is the stuff I've talked about in other videos before. This is the Febreze Honeyberry Hula Gain. All right. This stuff is Mac Daddy. I have tried, I don't know how many different fragrances, different smells in my vehicles over the years. This one here is the one that responds. All right. I got this one this morning and popped it open. First rider that hopped in here went, whoa, what is that? And I told him. You know, so now here, I get it through Walmart. I was able to find this last night at Walmart, was not able to find this. They were out of these. All right. This is a very popular fragrance. All right. In the description of this video, if you're interested, you can find this. I think it's a Walmart link, but you can go find this and order it and have it shipped to you. All right. And this is, like I say, it's the Honeyberry Hula. I fully, this is the one. I don't grab the others anymore. It's a waste of time. This stuff is real. All right. So if you're needing to go down that angle and figure out how to make I've told you how to play the games. I'm not going into them. The ones that have asked, it's in the description now. There's a lot of stuff in the description now. So have fun, but get you the electric Mustang if it's available in your area, because when people go to get in, they respond. All right, they like this vehicle. The one I have is the 4X all-wheel drive. It's bad to the bone. All right, you gotta be careful with it. Be careful with it. All right, but it's fun to drive. All right, it is fun to drive. Anyway, get you the electric. Have fun. Don't worry about gas prices no more. Tell gas people to kiss your butt. All right, I still pull up to the pumps. It's a habit of mine. But, you know, I can pull up in this one station here. They know me. I've been coming in there for years. I'll pull in there and I'll park out at the pumps. And the lady the other day, she says, why are you always parking at the pumps? You don't need the pumps no more. I said, no, but it's in the shade. She started laughing. All right, hey, something you do when you get old. You try to find those shady spots. But anyway, I'm going to let you go. This went longer. I just wanted to explain the gas prices here are up again. They're not coming down. Watch the news. Watch the real news. Please, please, please pay attention, all right? It's not coming down for years. That's just the way we are. Get you an electric and just tell the gas people to kiss your butt. All right. Daddy-o out for the day. You guys have a good afternoon, good evening. I'm going to do something. I got to do another video today on something else. So anyway, Daddy-o out today. Bye.